video tutorial, I'll be discussing how to find the area of a rectangle. Here we have two pictures of a rectangle, both shaded in green to represent the area. The dimensions of a rectangle are called the base with the height, or they're called the length and the width. Doesn't matter, the area is the product of both sides. So if you're used to saying base and height, then the area of a rectangle is base times height. If you are used to saying a rectangle has a length and a width, then it's the product of both length and width. Let's check out an example. Here you have a rectangle with the dimensions labeled, and you need to find the area of a rectangle. Let's start with the formula, base times height. Identify the base and the height in the picture. Substitute those values in for base and height. Carefully calculate and label. 20 meters squared represents the area of this rectangle.